Hi guys, so today is 8th October and this is my video journal for the day. 10 बज गए and सो जाऊंगा बस मैं आधे एक घंटे में. Woke up at 5 a.m. today and today it was a special day. It was my nephew and my sister-in-law's birthday, so there was to be a party in the evening, so I was excited about it. I did not call my cook, so I did my exercise. Today was chest and shoulders. तो chest and shoulders मारे, triceps भी मारे, triceps भी मारे और फिर उसके बाद I had a subway. Then I had a bath. I packed all my gifts and also I had gotten my bhabhi, my sister-in-law, a sports like a sports band, MI fitness band, to track the calories and all. She is trying to lose weight, and for my nephew, I had framed like a big frame with his like 13 of his pics. So yeah, and it was really nice. Was excited about the party, so I went. Early because I wanted to help them. So I helped them in the preparation. My friends also had like one of my friend, close friend Abhilash. He and his mom had come. So yeah, it was a good party and there was a lot to eat. I was trying to, so I had a subway in the morning, and I was trying to like keep my calories in count. So I only had the complex carbs things, did not have the simple carbs. Tried to avoid them, but I had the cake, and I also had the आइसक्रीम. देर वॉज आइसक्रीम एंड देर वॉज गुलाब जामुन. तो वो तो यार बनता है. आइसक्रीम तो रह ही नहीं जाती आइसक्रीम. तो आइसक्रीम तो खाई. तो यही था दिन संक्षेप में. एंड दैट वाज इट. मतलब अच्छा था दिन. हाँ, आज आई डिस्कवर्ड दिस बिल बर who is a comedian. I spoke about him yesterday. So I discovered that he has a channel on YouTube in which there is a Bill Burr advice channel on which he gives advices to people, and they are like funny advices, but like very pertinent, very relevant. तो बस सुनने में बहुत मज़ा आया. But if you want, you can also go to that channel. It's really nice. I will try to give a link to that channel uh, under in the description below. बाकी तो मैं यार थक गया हूँ. आज काफ़ी अच्छा दिन था फैमिली के साथ. आई एम ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अ बेटर रिलेशनशिप विद माई फैमिली. फैमिली I have seen that मैं ना बस I used to just take from my family, and I didn't used to give anything to them. So I'm trying to change that dynamics, and I'm trying to be a better family person. So yeah, and family is one thing, one pillar of this life, which you need to strengthen. It's important. There's one more thing which I want to talk about, and I don't know like what it is. So when in college I used to like abuse some substance and all, and I used to get these dreams that this life is really a dream, and we are in kind of a matrix like situation where some people have put us in capsules and are taking energy from us, same like the matrix movie. एंड पता नहीं वो बार बार वो जो ड्रीम्स है ना, वो मुझे बार बार अभी भी आते हैं. अभी आई हैव बीन सोबर एंड आई इवन डोंट ड्रिंक, बट वो और वो सपने मुझे बार बार आते से आई फील कि मैं मैट्रिक्स में हूँ, एंड this thing is a dream and the real life is somewhere else. And these dreams they look so real. बीच में जब आई यूज टू टेक अब्यूज सब्सटेंस, तो आई यूज टू फील कि वो रियल वर्ल्ड है, ये तो ड्रीम है जो ये जिंदगी चल रही है. बट अभी जैसे जैसे आई हैव बीन सोबर एंड I know what is this reality, but I have also not given up hope on that world. And earlier I used to fear that what that world will be and what was that. But now I feel that I am confident that whatever will it be, I'll I'll be able to handle it. And yeah, there's been shit in my this life. I've seen shit in this life, and I'm surviving. I'm thriving, and I'm finding sources of joy here. Like I'm trying to overshadow my negatives, and I'm trying to find the positives. And this is like one of the best thing that you can do about life. That you have so many negatives, and still you are focus on the positives. You create your positives. You create yourself, and I'm doing that. And I like that. I like that about myself now, and that has given me confidence that whatever the situation be, I can face it, and that is why I am not afraid of what is beyond death or whatever it is, and I am ready. Yes, I am. I may have to do some tactical training, but strategic trainings have been done, man. My 31 years of living in this world has taught me things. Life is suffering, but if you can choose your suffering, you can choose what will harm you and what won't. By choosing your response, like choosing your response, that is one of the most beautiful thing that you can do to yourself. Then the joy comes out from yourself. You don't have to wait or wait for someone else. And that is a true thing. Matlab, I have been a depressed person most of my life, and I become sad very soon. But now I feel joy emanating from myself because of things and reasons that I have done and how I have like changed my life. But if I summarize it in one word, that's self-discipline. And self-discipline has given me freedom. It has given me the freedom to be the best I can be in any world. And that's a beautiful thing. I was feeling sleepy 10 minutes ago, but I was disciplined, and I knew that I have to make this video journal. 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 Yeah, I have to make this video journal. And see, I am active now. You have to push yourself. Started speaking like Jordan Peterson, Dr. Jordan Peterson, but yeah. So for to that matrix thing, I tell myself that if I get more evidence that yeah, life is like this, I'll go that way. But I need more proper evidence. I need evidence which is very real, which is not under the influence of any substance, which is not in a fucking dream, which is in reality when I am awake. Because I can't really trust my subconscious, because subconscious is such a mixed up jungle, and whatever memories, movies, everything combines, and these dreams are so real. I can't believe a dream. I have to see it for myself. And yeah, that is what I'll say to myself. And you're doing well in this life. Make the best out of it. Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's the end of this video journaling, aka copying Dr. Jordan Peterson. So yeah, thank you for listening this and see you tomorrow.